Arithmetic sequence of numbers such that the difference d between two consecutive terms is a constant. ये consecutive terms है a1 comma a1 plus d a1 plus 2d comma a1 plus 3d and so on, where a1 is the first term of the sequence and d is the common difference. A1 can be written as a1 plus 0d, or 0 can be expressed 1 minus 1. So a1 plus 1 minus 1 into d. a2 a1 plus d, here 1 is expressed as 2 minus 1. a3 a1 plus 3 minus 1 into d. a4 a1 plus 3d, 3 can be expressed 4 minus 1. a1 plus 4 minus 1. So we conclude that an equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d, where an is the nth term or general term of arithmetic sequence. So using this, find the nth or general term of the arithmetic sequence 2, 5, 8, 11, so on. Here first term is 2 and common difference is same. 5 minus 2 is 3, 8 minus 5 is 3 between two consecutive terms. 11 minus 8 is 3. So we decide this. The given sequence is arithmetic sequence. So we know that an equal to a1 plus n minus 1 into d. An means nth or general term. Putting a1 equal to 2 and common difference 3, we get an equal 2 plus n minus 1 to 3. 2 plus 3n minus 3 equal to 3n minus 1. So this type is when number of term is unknown, or this shape is called the general term of the given sequence is 3n minus 1. Or question है find the general term of the arithmetic sequence is those 1, those 2. Write answer in comments. शुक्रिया.